Today, I want to talk about spiritual exercises that you must always engage yourself in every day. Spiritual exercises will help to boost your psychic powers. So many of the things that you're running helter skelter and looking for a spiritualist or looking for a dibia or looking for a pastor to help you solve can be solved by you. Yes, it can be solved by you. But the problem is that you don't know how these things work. So you have to know how to recharge yourself from within. Then you must know how recharging yourself from within must also be applicable by how you engage yourself in daily spiritual exercises. Because I keep saying it, your energy is your currency. Some of you that are looking for methods or looking for shortcuts in how to make money, your energy is your currency. And how can you make this work? First thing you do when you wake up in the morning is to make sure you wash your hands, then your face. Start with your hands. Make sure you have water. And if possibly you have stream water, it's okay. If you can't have stream water, if you have rainwater, it's okay. But if you live in an environment, maybe you live in a city where you don't have stream water or well water, okay, you can still use your tap water, it's still okay. Water is water, but the reason why I recommend stream water or well water is because it is natural. It came naturally. Or rainwater. Once you get this water, before you do anything, even before you start speaking to your spiritual forces, wash your face, then go get alligator pepper seed. Like I taught so many times, let me illustrate. Those that don't know what alligator pepper is, this is alligator pepper. This is how you buy it in its raw form. Now, once you open it behind your back. After opening behind your back, you get one seed. One seed is okay. After washing your hands, the next thing you do is use one seed of alligator pepper and cleanse your body the way I'm doing it. Make sure it touches. There's a way you hold it that it doesn't fall. And if it falls, don't pick it. If it falls, you throw it away and use another one. Then this one seed, use it to touch. Make sure it touches your skin. Touch it from your head down to your toe. And what will you say while touching it? You say anything that is of negativity, either from the physical, from the spiritual, that was sent in form of negativity to me, that I'm using this alligator pepper seed to cleanse myself. Then once you finish, you hover it around your head anti-clockwise 4 times. Then you throw it beside the wall. That is the first step. Then you pick 7 seeds. Make sure when you buy this, don't open it in your front, open it behind your back, because it's very active when you open it behind your back. Now get 7 seeds, put it to your mouth and chew. After chewing it, even if you've washed your mouth or before washing your mouth, after washing your mouth, make sure the alligator pepper seeds, 7 seeds are in your mouth. You chew, you blow out. You blow it out. You have activated yourself from that day. You can put in your incense. Another way to boost your chakras or your energy level is to make sure you apply, after doing your morning spiritual exercise, use this limestone unzu to rub here. This is where your third eye is located. You can use it to rub there. And whatever you are saying, it helps to open your third eye and it helps to charge you for that day. You realize that you're moving around, people are very receptive to you, people are willing to mingle with you, people will just want to like you. Just this that I applied here. It's not, I didn't rub it all over my face. That's where the third eye is located. So applying that nzu at that place, it helps to charge you internally. Because the body, the human body you're seeing is not actually, this is like a machine, the way the creator did it. This brain you see is like an antenna. Just like you see a phone. At first, when phones were created, they came with a form of an antenna. For those that had phones in the back in the days, the Sagem, the Samsung, the Triumph, and the rest, they came with an antenna. So it shows you that the human body, the head is like the spinal cord, have the head as the antenna. So the pineal gland also have a way to connect. The pineal gland stops is in the center. That is why you see when you see a child born, you see there's a place in the center of his head breathing. That place breathing and the forehead are connected. So don't be deceived. Sometimes when you go to religious centers, they want to apply olive oil here for you. They are taking something from you. Do not let them do it. They want to put olive oil on that center where that hair is breathing, and then here. It's an occultic practice. Do not let them do that. You can do it yourself. Do not let any man or woman touch these two places. They belong to you. Nobody have right to touch it without your permission. When you look at the human body, we have like 7 chakras. But because I'm talking about Ordinalibo spirituality, I will not talk about chakras because chakras doesn't sound like what my ancestors knew about. But I'm using the word chakras because it is applicable or is something that you can relate with. The chakras are energy levels of the body. You have your toes, you have your knees, you have your sexual organs, you have your chest, you have here your throat, you have here, then you have that head, which is the crown. Don't let anybody touch you on your head, maybe except your hairdresser or your hairstylist. That one is normal because definitely they may help you make your hair. But ordinarily, if somebody wants to do spiritual work, the person doesn't have any right to touch you, your crown, and here, throat, chest, your stomach. I didn't mention that. Your genitals. These are where the energy levels are residing. That once they are charged, you become a superhuman. That whatever you're looking for becomes very easy for you. You speak, the universe listens. So if you're watching this video for the first time, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. And you can also throw in your comments at the comment section. You can like this video, you can share, you can copy the link and share it on your timeline or your social media handles. And in case you want to do alpha consultation, I run an alpha consultation service. You can book an alpha consultation appointment with me. I'll help you check what is going on in your life. So this is where I'm going to end this video because I have a lot I'm supposed to be doing today. But I decided let me just come online. In summary, like I told you, make sure you're always boosting your energies. Don't be involved in an environment where your energy will be drained. It will make you feel lost, feel depressed, feel like giving up in life. Because they said one with the spiritual forces is majority. If you are attuned with your spiritual forces, you will never feel lonely. You will never feel depressed. So these are the things I'm telling you today. And if you put them into practice, you are going to be giving testimonies that something that you had changed your life. Because my own happiness is I want to be hearing people giving us testimonies of that they practiced some of the things I taught here and it worked for them. It gives me great joy when I see positive feedbacks. So thank you for stopping by. Yeah, guys.